Hey everyone! And in this guide, I'm going to show you how to add an unsubscribe link to a single email inside HubSpot using the full 2026 setup. This is important for compliance, and it also gives your contacts control over the types of messages they receive. So first, open your browser, go to hubspot.com, click Login, and sign into your account. Once the dashboard loads, we're ready to begin. Start by clicking Marketing in the top navigation bar, then choose Email. This takes you to your email workspace where all drafts and templates are stored. Click Create Email if you're making a new one, or open an existing draft you want to update. Choose regular email because we're working with a one-off message, not an automated workflow email. Inside the editor, click anywhere in the email body where you want your unsubscribe link to appear. Type a short line like "click here to unsubscribe," then highlight the text and click the link icon in the toolbar. A panel will open where you can choose the link type. Select Email Subscription Link, then choose whether you want recipients to unsubscribe from all email types or just a specific subscription category. This gives you flexibility depending on how your communication is structured. Next, scroll down to your footer. HubSpot automatically includes a required unsubscribe token for marketing emails, but you can customize the wording to match your brand voice. Just make sure you don't delete the token entirely because HubSpot requires at least one valid unsubscribe link in every marketing email. Once the link is added, click the preview button at the top. Send a test email to yourself and scroll down to confirm the unsubscribe link appears correctly and redirects to the proper subscription preferences page. Testing is really important because you always want to make sure everything is compliant before sending to your full audience. When everything looks good, return to the editor and click Review and Send. Schedule your email or send it immediately. Your message will now include the correct unsubscribe link for every recipient, and that's it. That's how to add an unsubscribe link to one email in HubSpot using the 2026 setup. It's quick, easy, and keeps your emails professional and compliant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.